Hello darlings, for today's video, I'm creating a bubblegum pink look. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3.5 and setting them in place with the 24-hour brow gel. Next, I'm cleaning up the bottom edge of the brow with the Plouise base in the shade 0.5 using a flat acid rain brush. Then I'm tapping more of that base all over my lid to prepare it for eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe 35C palette and first picking up the matte brown shade. I'm tapping that onto my outer V and sweeping the brush through my crease. This way, the majority of the pigment will be in my outer corner with a little definition through the crease. Next, I'm dipping into the light pink shade and applying this onto the lid. I'm creating a faux cut crease by carefully stamping this on so that it creates a harsh line. It mimics the look of a cut crease without actually having to go in and carve out the crease. After that, I'm grabbing the white shade, tapping this onto the inner corner, and taking it up into the lid to lighten the front part of the pink. Now I'm adding the dark brown shade along the lash line, flicking it into a small wing, making the eye appear more elongated. Then I'm adding a bit of sparkle to the center of the lid with the Touch & Soul Metallist Liquid Glitter Topper in the shade Holo Glow. Moving on to face makeup, I'm priming with the Touch & Soul No Poreblem Priming Water and Glassy Skin Balm, both of which are super moisturizing. I'm applying the Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Freshwear Foundation in the shade 400, setting the face with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, and trying something different today with a pink under eye. To achieve the perfect pink under eye, I'm starting by applying my concealer underneath my eyes, then I'm adding the SheGlam Liquid Blush in the shade On Point to the upper part of my cheek and blending it all together with the SheGlam Multifaceted Makeup Sponge. Once blended, I'm switching to a different side of the sponge and setting underneath the eyes with the SheGlam instaready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo in Bubblegum. This has two different pink toned powders, a loose one and a pressed one. I'm going in with the loose powder first, then the pressed powder. Next, I'm contouring with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer, which I'm sweeping into the hollows of my cheeks, underneath where I placed the blush, as well as the hairline, jawline, and along the bridge of the nose. Now I'm carving out the contour on my cheeks with the SheGlam Baked Glow Setting Powder in the shade Translucent, and using it to bake around my nose to really brighten those areas. After a few minutes, I'm sweeping away the excess powder and highlighting with the Benefit Cookie Highlighter, skipping my cheeks. Now I'm melting all of those powders into the skin with the Catrice Dewy Fixing Spray. To finish off the eyes, I'm curling my lashes, applying the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and a pair of false lashes from Salon Perfect in the style 691. I'm blending the falsies with my real ones by tightlining, then I'm adding mascara to my bottom lashes and perfecting them with my handy dandy lash separator. Finally, for lips, I'm first lining my lips with the Buxom Powerline Plumping Lip Liner in the shade Hush Hush Henna. I'm rotating that around and using the brush to blend that towards the center of my lips, and then I'm adding the full-on lip polish in Kayla. And that completes this bubblegum pink look. Let me know if you're a fan of the pink under eye trend in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!